Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So US dollar yen just keeps on pushing down. Like I said yesterday, I mean, it kind of makes sense because of the higher time frame analysis. I still think the US dollar yen is going down a lot more. And, my main target is like the 134 area, but I could even see it going down to like the 127.5 area pretty easily. So very, very, very bearish overall. Now we are sitting at the 78% fib, and then that could act as an area of support. We could get a pretty decent bounce right there. But even if we do get a bounce, it's almost definitely just going to be another pullback to the downtrend. And unless we get some sort of a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely don't have yet, a nice solid break of structure to the upside could tell you that we're making a crescent to the last wave down. We don't even have that yet. I mean, there's nothing stopping this from going down more, making another pullback, making another lower high, and just continuing the downtrend. So until you actually get breaks of structure, then there's really no point in even thinking about looking for longs. Rather than do that, I would focus on looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks until you get a nice break of structure against the trend. So anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you and happy trading.